It is Restoration London. It has some random pages of images and stuff of the time period. This is basically going to help me write my pirate book that is set in 1690. Restoration England takes place just before that. Restoration England takes place just a little before my book. I went to Half Price Book for this, Half Priced Books store for this, and it was $20. I didn't really want to spend that, but I made $9 selling kids' clothes. And so, where did I see that in here? Introduction, 1660. It's on the title page. 1660 to 1670. Everyday life in London. So, for example, Part 1, the urban environment. Chapter 1, London. Facts and figures. The streets, water supply, pollution. I don't know why I said it that way. Waste disposal, noise. Chapter 2, the houses, new courts, map view. Truswell's surveys, the fire. The aftermath, the rebuilding, buildings, materials. Chapter 3, interiors, the rooms, interior decorating, heating, lighting, furnace. Chapter 4, gardens, parks, and open spaces. Gardens, the royal parks, pleasure gardens, open spaces. 28 degrees here. Chapter 5, communications by river, by land, by letter. Part 2, the human condition. Chapter 6, medicine and dentistry. Expectation of life, medical treatments, magic and superstition, non-qualified advisors, professionals, hospitals, medical risks, mental illness, minor ailments, accidents and industrial diseases, spas and dentistry. Chapter 7, clothes, jewelry, cosmetics, hairdressing, washing, and so on. What does that entail? Clothes, women's clothes, jewelry, men's clothes, cosmetics, hairdressing, washing, and so on, the teeth. Basically, we just said that. Chapter 8, housework, laundry, and shopping. Housework, laundry, washing, ironing, shopping, markets, payment, prices. Chapter 9, cooking, meals, food, and drink, cooking methods, meals, recipes, cookery books, and drink. Chapter 10, bedtime activities. Not bedtime, bedroom activities. Adult bedroom activities. Yes. That's chapter 10. Part 3, the social context. Chapter 11, the household. The master, the mistress, children, apprentices, servants, slaves, pets, other animals. Chapter 12, education, literacy, and speech. Education, church instruction, formal schooling, self-improvement. How did they sound? What words did they use? This is going to be so helpful for my pirate book that is set in 1690. Okay, this is 20 years before my book, which is a pirate book, Cryptically Hidden Treasure. Anyway, back to this research book, history book. Chapter 13, hobbies, excursions, family occasions, and etiquette. I'm so excited. Embroidery, drawing and painting, music, dancing, other pastimes, exertions? Not sure how you say that. City occasions. This is a thick book. We're almost done with the contents. Okay, what else? The court, the theater, family occasions, and etiquette. Chapter 14, divers, events, and acts in the law. All things law related. The nature of English law, the legal status of women, marriage, divorce, crime, civil law, tort, contract, tax, the poor rate, wills, and intestacy. I'm going to have to look that up. Chapter 15, money, poverty, and class. The rich, Gregory King. The middling sort, the poor, and class. Part 4, horizons. Chapter 16, religion and popular beliefs. The Church of England, the Church of Rome, the Society of Friends and Truth, the Jews, Providences, importance, astrology, superstitions, and witchcraft. Chapter 17, The World Picture Epilogue, adding it to my TBR of multiple research books to read. I really need to crack it.